Kenny. I'm Lolly. How are you? You want to practice your skills? Great! After all, you're a phoenix bird. Someday you will become legend. Pick up the numbers in order from 0 to 30. Use the J button to jump. Go! 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Help! Kenny, please help me. I want to cross to the other side, but the forest is full of spike spores. Clear the area so I can make it with my little birds. Use the A button to attack. Collect the blue marks to recover health. 10. 11. 12. 13. 'Kenny, you're a phoenix bird. Fire is your best friend. Pick up a fire whirlwind to gain a special fire boost for 10 seconds. Once you pick the fire boost, rush into those spike spores. 14. 15. 16. 17. Hi, Kenny. It's nice to see you. So you want to cross to the other side of the river? There are many spike spores on the other side. But you're a phoenix bird. Pick up the fireballs and use your special fire blast to cook those spores. Press the fire circle to use your fire blast. Remember to recharge your energy before using it again. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30.